Right now, there are two big competitors in the world of PC. There's Mac and Windows. But what reasons are there that you should go with Windows other than Mac? And why is it just overall better for you? In this video, I'm going to give you 6 reasons why you should consider Windows over Mac, and why they're helpful reasons against getting a Mac. Number 1 is gaming. More or less all games start on Windows and then are made compatible for Mac, and almost every game that comes out will most likely be on Windows, but may not be on Mac. And there are also some games that are just never made available for the Mac. You have to go through Windows to get to them. So that's why getting Windows may be a good idea if you're a gamer. For a Mac of a certain configuration, you could probably get a PC with a more or less identical configuration for a lot less, especially if you build it yourself, which I'm going to mention about later on. There are also only certain types of builds that you can get with Macs, and they have to be bought from Apple themselves, which naturally makes them cost a lot more. Number 3 is custom builds. With the Mac, you just basically get what Apple gives you, and however they want to design it is how you get it. But if you go with a PC, you can build your own computer, and you can put inside it whatever you want. If you want a certain spec graphics card, then you can put that in. If you want a certain size hard drive or SSD, you can put that in. And you can just make it exactly as you want, so it'll work exactly how you want it to work. And this just isn't possible with the Mac, even though you can switch out some components on certain models. Number 4 is Maximize, or Zoom as it's called on the Mac, actually works on Windows. So on the Mac, what Zoom does is it basically resizes the screen to show all of the content that's available on the screen, but this can be kind of annoying as you just want it to fill the whole screen. On Windows, it actually fills the whole screen, and you're also able to drag it to the top to resize it, which I'll mention in the next point. Number 5 is dragging windows to the sides as well as the top resizes them. On Windows, if you drag a window to the left side, then it will snap it to the left side. If you drag it to the right side, it will snap it to the right side. And if you drag it to the top, it will maximize it. And although this seems like a really, really small feature, it's actually really, really helpful when you want to copy between 2 different places, or you just want 2 different windows to be shown on the screen. And also, if you just want to maximize it, you can just pull it to the top. On the Mac, this is a bit more annoying. You have to manually resize the windows and then place them one beside the other. Number 6 is that you can actually hide the dock items to the right of the menu bar on Windows. So on the Mac, you get the little icons to the top on the menu bar, which is basically the bar that has all the options for the application that's selected or active. And on the Mac, you can't get rid of any of them. If the developer hasn't given an option to get rid of them, then they just have to stay there. On Windows, you can hide them under this little kind of tray, which basically just has an arrow and then it shows them all. So you can have as many icons as you want on the bar, and it doesn't take up the whole bar, which is how it is for me. So those are my 6 reasons why you should get Windows over Mac. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and also comment down below if you have any more suggestions for this series, or you just want to comment about the video. Hope this video helps you, and thanks for watching.